Hati ka shit, bro, guys. Elephant. Oh, wow. So romantic. Oh, so pretty.
Yeah.
Wow, beautiful. Yeah, okay, bye. Oh, it's so cute. Amra. Aisha. Thank you. See you later, guys. Bye. Feeling so tired now. My legs. Yes, need that. But this is nice. The road. Look at this. Look at this here. This is how it is in Assam. You haven't seen the cows yet. I will show you this. Look at that. This is their farm. Look at this, guys. Look at this. This is the situation. Oh my God. Who needs speed breakers when you have cows? Look at that. Look at that. Modi ji. Modi ji, what have you done? Guys, change of plans. We're stopping at Garampani and go have a look. Paying the entry fee, it's 20 rupees per adult. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Let's go.
I wish I could say.
Cheers. That's all. They just took it. What's the point? They wasted paper. Like.
Wow.
So what can I do in the hot spring?
Strawberry.
Oh wow. Oh fuck, look at that, guys. It's bubbling. Oh wow. I can feel the heat.
It's clear.
Oh, it's quite clear though. I wish we could go, na? Yeah, so nice. Can I put my feet?
Yeah.
We can. But probably like million people's feet went inside.
How about
Shh. Guys.
It's warm.
It's warm.
Hey, that's right.
Yes, I do. Guys,
Let's go collect.
Guys, we're just here detoxing our feet after the marathon. Muscle detox. Pani to clear is it though? No? This is how you do, guys. This is how you do it. So it naturally keep on. Oh, interesting. So like why? Guys, why is garam pani garam? Like, is this is natural spring? So inside this is near the look at that bubble. Like, is it near under the surface of water?
Maybe volcanic like
I hope it's clean. I hope it's clean. I hope it's clean. That's it for today. Okay, now. That's all. अब चले तो मना जाते. Guys, we're in the suspension bridge. Oh damn, it's moving. Oh jeez. What's the weight capacity? We do book like this. Abhi, stop it! Abhi, stop it! Abhi, stop! Giri jao din. So irritating. बंदर कहाँ है? बंदर? Oh, jungle to jungle है तो. This is also part of the wildlife, na? Oh wow, so many butterflies. Oh, pretty. Oh wow. जाओ, नहीं जाओ बरो. Oh wow, butterfly. Guys.
हाथी आए तो.
हाथी आएगा तो भागे. अबरी हाथी के खोता कर लो. तिला. तिला. ले. Oh wow, 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 wow. Oh my god, amazing. Beautiful, wow. Guys, nice magic. Oh wow. Wow. This is so beautiful. Shit, I don't know. The effects. Then go there again, see.
You know what this is? Oh, this.
Hathi ka shit, bro, guys. Elephant. Hey, hathi is not violent. They're not. They're very sweet. Then why did they make a route here? To kill us? To feed the tigers? Oh, chal back here. I think there's leak or what? Or leech or what? Chal. Don't let your curiosity get in the way. Kill the cat. But I'm not a cat. Okay, chal. Khana bhi sar gaya. Okay, done guys. 20 rupees done. Guru la guru le jao la mama ka nahi. Gobar. Alag ho to tu to. Guru no, I mean hathi lagu. Chal le jao mama ka nahi. This will be घास भी हाथी जाओ ले जाओ तो और. Come here, butterfly. Let's go.
Aesthetic, very aesthetic.
भाग भाग केला खाने मलाई बैठ से. Oh wow, this is so nice. I love it. Huh? Okay. Phone. Hey, oh wow, so romantic. So romantic. place is so beautiful, guys. I love this pathway and all the yellow flowers. Huh? Yeah, it's here. The yellow flowers. It's so pretty. It's a nice park. Although there's not much to do, but this park is very pretty. It's very peaceful, and like, look at this yellow flowers. It's clean, and look at the view. So green, everything's so green. Oh, look at this, so pretty. Hey, Mandor. Wow. Look at the size of this. Huge. কি চাইছে
আমি চৰাই চাই আছো
কোনটো চৰাই আছে
ইয়াত বহুতখিনি আছে ইয়াত মানে এটা ফ্লগ আছে ইয়াত
Oh, is that? Did you find? Can I see? Oh wow, your camera is huge. Which bird is it, you know?
This is not it.
Not head. Oh wow, oh so pretty.
Yeah.
Wow, beautiful. Hey, Mansundu.
Pundu. ব্লেক অনাৰ এটা আছিলে আৰু আপোনাৰ এইটো অলপ বেছি আপোনাৰ হোৱাইট ইন বডি ব্লু আপোনাৰ এইটো এটা মাৰক এপনিজ হোৱাইট বেলিড এপনিজ হয় নাই
तो ये चिड़िया के दिखेगा जानी जाए
आप भी देख सकते हैं I can hold it for you.
Thank you.
So are you a vlogger?
Yeah, he did.
Okay.
This is my sister here.
Where are you from?
Dimapur.
Dimapur. Nice place.
Yes. Yeah, this is okay. So you're from here, no?
Yeah.
You guys come here all the time?
Yeah.
Oh.
Very frequently.
Every Sunday.
Oh, it's so peaceful, yeah.
Many birds.
The birds in the forest, yeah, it's so good. Nature is really... You need a lot of patience with this, huh?
Yeah.
So much patience.
Birding is all about fishing.
Yeah, bird watching.
Yeah, how much fishing.
When did you start?
It has been, I think, for me, 1 year, 1.5 years.
Oh. You have to study about the bird watching.
Yeah. We have an app called Marlin,
Oh,
so there you can find any bird that is available in market.
so where all have you been?
I have been to Arunachal many times, looking here. Then you just,
এইটো হোৱাইট বেলিড এপ্ৰনিছৰ আপোনাৰ ফ্লগ এটা আছে
aponic.
লগতে বেলেগো আছে বেলেগ চৰাই আছে অকল হোৱাইট বেলিড এপ্ৰনিছ নহয় বেলেগো আছে ব্লেক নেক মনাৰ্ক এটা আছিলে মনাৰ্কো আছিলে ব্লেক নেক মনাৰ্ক এটা আছিলে আৰু
White belly,
হোৱাইট বেলিড
It's
yes
yellow, I think.
Yes, সেইটো
What is that called?
হোৱাইট বেলিড এপ্ৰনিছ
White belly aponis.
Yes, white bellied apple. It's a migratory.
Migratory bird. Where does it come from?
From high altitude, like
High altitude.
basically like it's a
If you are interested in birding,
Birding.
you can download an app called Marlin.
Marlin. Okay, this is my first time, but it's very interesting. Okay, thank you so much. You guys are so smart when it comes to birds, no? Like you know everything. Yeah, thank you so much. Bye. White belly thing. So abhi to mama ka nili jo. Dimapur di bigay to, mandamba.
Bigay
To. This to. Tula mama ka nilo. Oh, you have. If you want, you can pluck. Chutu lilo bro. Yeah. For the mothers. Guys, we are so good kids. We are taking gift for our mother. Nature is gift.
root to give you no details here.
It's pura root honey. This one. অলপ চুৰি বটল দি ঢালিয়া দি দিওঁ দেই হা oh it's called Mercy of Vlogs wait 1 second huh Mercy of Vlogs okay if I upload it I'll let you guys know
Just type in here.
do you guys post on your Insta or something we are bird watching
Right now, but
post na you guys are doing such amazing stuff yeah okay bye
There's Amma is coming. Dia letak ke?
oh it's so cute they look so cute look बैठो look बैठो oh wow hello oh look oh you look so cute banana yeah Jor are you Jor la
Anda go. Small.
itu खाना ना खाए अंडा खाए
क्या खाओ?
क्या खाए ना खाए
Give no.
या बिस्किट बनाना दे
Anda lah saya juga.
अंडा ना खाए दे
Kita
दे बिस्किट खाने ना को I'll keep the extra we'll throw this in the dustbin
Okay, yes.
ला बाबा सब लो एकता एकता लो ना eh you punya hi ni ni lagi ini juga hello kuno yeah ah di depan lo aduh man gede deh they're so cute there's a leech in my leg oh Jesus oh fuck yeah
Leave it.
ah ada feeling itu jungle situ na budak apa pagla nanti kita
Ada gula deh kyo.
alam bimar aja ayo budak bye
Chicken, dal, omelette, mutton, fish.
so basi let's go okay guys we're here
Is there inside place?
inside hot pizza we're gonna have food in this dhaba chalo hatte jato yeah I like the outside better but okay fine thanda is
Thanda.
okay we got this भात थाली पाओ ना तो तीनटा चिकन মই चिकन खालो चिकन और बीफ सॉरी पोर्क আছে चिकन मटन ओके दुईटा चिकन एकटा मटन আৰু साइडते माছ डीप फ्राई पाओ ना
लंबा वाला था ना?
lama भी ऐसा रो राउंड ना
लंबा डीप फ्राई ठीक है
तीनटा
एकटा दे
एक प्लेट और किंगफिशर है
अभी माल ना खा नो we cannot drink it नहीं माल दे गाड़ी चलेंगे
one beer, man.
नहीं गाड़ी चलेंगे आहे से नहीं अंकल प्लीज थादा बने
মই একটা কথা বিয়া নকৰি না
কি?
তাই দুখ কৰে না এটা মানে লিমিট থাকিব
আরে
ওভার কৰিব
भाई दिल का बात
बोल इतना इमान विजडम थैंक यू yeah अंकल itu mas ekta itu gimana sih ekta piece deh 50 अरे
50 किलो
oh mana nih tahu tuh hah bindi boil हो जाओ कुने fry
না আলু ফ্রাই তো হবে
oh ठीक है हो जाओ कुने thank you try chicken okay, thank you uncle Ekdam, don't do that again. So guys, this is a authentic Assamese thali. Rice, side dishes.
Authentic nago.
I mean, authentic dhaba.
Nothing is authentic.
Why do uncle? Uncle is very nice. Anyway,
He's a good man.
he's a good man. If you come here. Anyway, this is the dhaba experience. I got chicken. This much.
No.
See you later, guys. Bye.